We are back, and some of the messages I received is, "Oh my God, wait, like you're a multi-millionaire, you're becoming a monk, you mad, are you gone crazy?" And here I'm back. It was just 10 days, and I will cover so many things today, and also there are some huge announcement I will be making to stay tuned. So yeah, we are back. Let's address the first one. Where was I? Yeah, it turned pretty much like monk for 10 days. I went to Vipassana meditation retreat. No phone, no talking with anyone, and just complete silence. Literally no talking. It was known as noble silence. And damn, it was good. And I was fascinated by some of the research and potential scientific papers regarding pre and post brain chemicals after meditation. Uh, we'll be covering more on that in some other channel or some other day. And why? Why did I win? Obviously, there are a few things going on. I was working overtime. I wasn't sleeping. Worked like 2, 3 days straight without sleep. Also, there's lots of going on my personal life. Well died, and I personally had a food poisoning, so I was admitted to hospital like 2, 3 days. It was worst 1 point, so the reason I wasn't able to call anyone or get in touch. So but all it is in the past, and now we are back. Yeah, mind broke the matrix. It was funny. They were expecting to concentrate on breathing or whatever, but obviously my mind was always thinking about charts, at least up until day 3, day 4, and then I got a habit of doing the meditation. Yeah, just to cover more, the day 3 while meditating, my mind just couldn't stop thinking about charts. The ideas start clicking. I got the flash of a potential new strategy, and trust me, this will be historic. I'm talking 70 to 90% win rate potential strategy. That's on an intraday. I mean, I have shared 80% win rate strategy, but that doesn't occur every day. For example, 80% setup, right? Imagine there's a strategy which gives like such a high win rate, 70 to 90. I would say maybe 85 on an average. It would be like, will go into history books, trust me, because yeah, I got really good memory because I can literally see the different concept I actually I trade footprint, volume, so smart money. So I was putting everything together. There's also liquidity sweep, and then to point of control, value. So it will the higher the time frame, obviously the more win rate there is. But even in intraday, can you imagine this strategy? I mean, yeah, I mean, stay tuned. I will give another update in this video. And yeah, there's some of the big announcement. Monthly funded account giveaway. People who are enrolled trading masterclass from nas.io way trading. You can refer previous video for the link. I will also provide the link in this video. I will give away for each member one funded account every month. For example, let's say I start from next month. There's some guy named I don't know, Adam. Adam will get 5,000, like based on the some criteria for winning the accounts. So the members can actually trade with a huge amount. They will get customized to using my strategies and all. It's like life changing. Every month, one member gets 5 to 10,000 from their account. And VFS live trading is coming soon. What is VFS? And this is a strategy. Like I was just thinking while meditating. I wasn't able to concentrate as I told earlier. But yeah, I might need like a couple of months to practice properly. One thing I like about it is a clear entry criteria and a clear exit criteria. It doesn't involve footprint chart, so it's not complicated. You don't have to refer CVD, delta, all the divergences, positive and negative delta, potential trap. You don't have to refer anything. This is such a simple trading with strategy. That's it. That is it. So I will back test. Today is April, like April. Yeah, by May end, that's like more sufficient time. Finish the backtest from either June or July. Let's live trade this strategy alone on all the funded accounts. And yeah, it will be fun. And obviously, the live trading will be inside the members group, which is nas.io/wait.trading. Make sure you enroll the masterclass. Why? Because it's charity community profits with the whatever the amount I collect, 80% will go to charity. Together we trade, together we sell. Yeah, I just wanted to address some of the some of the criticism or some of the messages I received on Instagram, people are like, why don't you donate your own money? And why run a masterclass and collect money for charity? And come on, like, I have nothing to say. I'm already donating my own money since 10 years. Like, I've been donating money from 2014, 15. I was like 18, 19 at the time. I was already doing money through hacking, of course. I was finding all kind of bugs in Google, Facebook, etc. And I've already donated money, so much money. Even now we are doing, and this is just another way. Through masterclass, I'm just not collecting funds. I'm transforming lives. Every student who joins learns skills to change their own feet. Right? Their money is not wasted. It's for their growth and it fuels the charity. They win, charity wins, and society wins. And it's not about free money to charity. It's about multiplying the impact. Create a like it's like you can create like so much impact by method like this. Teach man teach a man to fish. You feed them for a lifetime. There's a quote, right? Through this masterclass, I teach people to build their own income, own passive income, potentially helping them to become a funded trader and become a professional trader, right? Also, we're helping the people who are needed and animals. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm giving the knowledge, opportunity, all the hope, and people we can learn, go back, and together impact all the naysayers. Right there is like it's 2015. It was an email from Google security team. Thank you for reporting our Google vulnerability program. Analysts decided to reward $8,000 and I donated to physically enable people back in 2015. What? I was like 28, 18 or 19 at that time. Yeah, see, I would like to turn the physically disabled, so I will give him a charity name and that's soon as possible. That's all the updates I got. Stay tuned. There will be members only. Let's say I might make it public. I will analyze the Bitcoin chart, and I was expecting Bitcoin to move crazy in April and see what it did. Up 15%, took the liquidity we are expected and down 16%. So let's see you soon on the live trading update video. I will be analyzing bond, DXY, potentially NQ, Forex, crypto. And if you want to analyze any other charts, do comment below. See you soon.